can see the movement of the wheel. This is a evidence that I need to replace my ball joint. It's wiggling when I'm driving. As you can see, it's very loose. That's why I need to replace it.